Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I have discussed the chapter Simple Past Tense, where we found that most of the verbs ended with ed. See here, where I have discussed about the verbs which ended with ed, which indicates past tense. Today we shall discuss some other verbs where it does not only end with ed but with other letters such as ied, and there are some words which change their form completely. So let us discuss this page today, page number 39. I have discussed up to this much in my last video. See, some verbs change their form in the simple past tense. Verbs ending with y, drop the y and take ied. When you will find some verbs which end with y, you have to replace y with the letters ied. In the earlier video, you have seen that all the verbs ended with ed. You have to just add ed to make it past tense. But here you see, there are some verbs which end with y. So in order to make it a past tense, you have to replace y with the letters ied. Such as, for example, here carry, CARR. When you make it past tense, it becomes CARRIED. In the same way, try. If you drop y and you have to take IED, TRIED, tried. Next rule is some verbs double their past consonant in the simple past tense. Total there are five vowels. Apart from them, the rest are all consonant. A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the remainings are consonants. So see here, the last letter of the word drop, P is consonant. So there are some verbs. So in order to make them past, you have to just double the last letter and you have to add ed to make it a past tense. See here, drop, P is consonant. So you have to double the consonant letter. So P is added twice. And at last you have to add ed. So it becomes dropped. In the same way, stop, it becomes stopped, and wag, it becomes wagged. The next rule is some verbs change their form completely in the simple past tense. Means they do not look same. They change their form completely. Here what did you find? Here you see the words match. Up to this much, the last portions you have to just add one or two letters to make it a past tense. The other portion remains the same. But here you will find that there are some verbs which change their form completely. See here, eat, it became ate. Next is think. When you make it a past tense, it becomes thought. Next is take. The past tense of take is took. See, none of them are same. So there are some verbs which becomes past tense if you just add ed to the verb. There are some verbs which become past tense if you just add ied by dropping y. There are some verbs which indicate past tense if you double the consonant and add ed to the word. And there are some verbs which change their form completely. So next is study the table to learn about verbs that change their form completely. So let us read the table. There is a list of verbs where you will find that all the verbs they change their form completely from present to past tense. See here, run, the past tense is ran. Sit, sat, drink, drank, write, wrote, go, went, See, nothing matches. There is no link. Here you will find that only the vowel changes. Here also you will find that the I changes into O to make it a past tense. Here also same. Here also the vowel change. There is a vowel here. U is vowel. So in order to make it past, you have to just replace U with A to make it a past tense. In the same way, these 3, 4. But see here, go. It is completely changed. The past tense of go is went, buy, bought, bring, brought. Next is drive. It is drove. You have to just replace the vowels from I to O. Next is give, gave, throw, threw, stand, stood, catch, caught, get, got, lose, lost. So these are the list of verbs where the forms change completely. So let's turn to page number 40. There is an exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct option to describe what these children did yesterday. See, yesterday is already a past. It indicates past. So let us discuss this. Number 1, Nikhil dash play or played football. So answer will be this one. It is there. So this will be the answer. Nikhil played football. Next is Anu dash flowers, gather or gathered. So this will be the answer, gathered. Sid dash his dog out to play. So the past form is took. Take is the present form. Past is took. So the answer will be took. Because the question is what the children did yesterday. Means the what he did the previous day. So it's past. So you have to choose the past verb. Number 4 is Mickey dash with the balloons. So the past form is ran. Alia dash a butterfly. The answer will be chased. See, ed is there. If you find that the verb ends with e, you have to just add d to make it a past tense. Next is Sid dash at me. Answer will be smiled. Alia dash a kite. So the past form is flew. Father dash us around in his new car. Answer will be drove. I rang the bell. My dog dashed to meet me. So the answer will be ran. My dog ran to meet me. Next is the children dashed to the circus. So the answer will be went. They dashed the clown. See is the present form. So the past is so. So the answer will be so. All of them laughed at his tricks. It is there. It indicates past tense. Next is I dash the cage open. So leave and left. So left is the past form. So left. My parrot dash away. Answer will be flew. Next is yesterday we dash to a birthday party. Yesterday. So the answer will be went. We dash. So answer is sang. We danced. From the two options, this is the past form. So danced. And we played. This morning my cat dash a mouse. My cat saw a mouse. She dashed at it. She jumped. But the mouse dashed away. Answer will be ran. It dashed into its hole. Answer will be rushed. This is the present form and this is the past form. So we found in this chapter that in order to show actions that happen in the past, the verbs end with ed. Then the verbs end with ied. Then there are verbs where the consonant is doubled and at the end ed is added. This is another rule. And the other is where you will find that the verbs change completely. Nothing matches with the present form. And these are the list of verbs where the verbs completely change from present to past tense. I hope you will understand the simple past tense. There will be no problem, I hope. So let's end the class here for today. In my next video I shall discuss the last exercise of this chapter, and then the chapter will get over. So let's end the class here. So thank you.